Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Just to let you know, one of the questions that gets asked all the time is, what about all that wax that's left on that hot plate when you've done something? Well, here's a lot of wax. Some of it were left on my hot plate, a little bit more has been added. And I'm just going to show you a few little bits you can do with it. So I've just got a mixture of colour down here in various amounts. All I'm going to do is just lay the card right down. It's almost flat. So all I've got is one edge. I'm just going to riddle that card across this wax, and I ain't got a clue what we're going to get, but that is what we've managed to get from that one. And then what we're going to do is go in the other way, but they make some really interesting backgrounds. So really, with encaustic, very little. Just bed that down a bit in that wax. Very little needs to go to waste. There's enough wax here to do as many of these as we really wanted. Probably as many as we want and more. When that's set, we can go into that with our iron and our stylus and do all the things with it. Or we could just appreciate it as an abstract as it is. I'll do another one. Something nice to do at the end of a session of painting, because it'll give you opportunity to clean up your tools a little bit, and you'll feel like you're not wasting your materials. So I'm just literally just ridging the card. It's alright, I've covered about half of it. Just set that side down, lift this side up. The faster you pull it round, the more chance you've got of getting larger air bubbles and things. My hot plate will look slightly different to most hot plates because I've put a sheet of metal over the top so that you could see the colours and see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, happy with that. Can make something out of that. Getting quite a mixed result today with it. This one will probably make our last one. If we've managed to make the 3 sheets of A5, that's really quite nice. Really quite like that one. And like I say, we can come back to those, work with them with the stylus, scraping tool, the iron, make them into something else. Thank you for watching. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.